Hey friends! Welcome to this special video part 1 where I'm going to share some amazing DIY remedies for glowing skin that you can do at home. My YouTube channel will give you information. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Apnake info Divo. I will try to teach you about this topic in 4 parts. You will definitely see. If you've been struggling with dull, tired skin, or dark spots, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step, and trust me, you won't need expensive creams or fancy treatments. Just simple, natural ingredients that give your skin a radiant glow. Let's start with the basics. First, a gentle exfoliating scrub. Take 1 cup of sugar and mix it with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. It will definitely mix very well. Apply it gently on your face in circular motions. This removes dead skin cells and makes your skin soft and smooth. You'll feel the instant difference after just a few minutes. Doing this twice a week is perfect for keeping your skin fresh and bright. You will get a very beautiful result on your skin. Now, I will tell you another method. There will definitely be a tension honey and lemon mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it evenly on your face and leave it for 15 minutes before washing off. Honey moisturizes while lemon brightens. Friends, this combination fights bacteria and helps lighten dark spots naturally. Consistency is key here, so make sure to use it a couple of times a week. Now, let's talk about aloe vera. Of course, we all know a lot about this tree plant and its benefits. Fresh aloe vera gel applied directly to your skin hydrates, soothes irritation, and promotes a healthy glow. Leave it for 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Aloe vera is perfect for all skin types and helps calm redness while improving texture. Another classic remedy is turmeric and yogurt pak. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. Turmeric brightens and fights inflammation, while yogurt moisturizes. This mask is a simple yet powerful way to achieve that natural glow. Remember, friends, glowing skin doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, regular care, and using the right ingredients. Combine these simple remedies with good sleep, proper hydration, and healthy food, and you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. Your skin will feel healthier, smoother, and visibly radiant. I hope you will watch the next parts carefully so that you can understand the essence of the video.